Hello, everyone. This is my review of the collapsible, foldable laundry basket. This laundry basket is made mostly of plastic, but it has like a silicone rubbery sides to it that is collapsible and foldable. Right here, you can see the rubber there, and it folds down very flat, so you could like store it in certain places, like underneath your bed if you need to, and other places. But if you want to, you can just use it just like this. But if you need more space and room to put your laundry in there, you can just pop it up just like this, and it will pop up, and you can put a whole bunch of laundry and clothes in there. So I got these two big blankets that I'm putting up in here. Let's see how that works. So I highly recommend this product, and I hope this review helps.